And for all those who be wearing gloves, I want you to know it's easy to do with gloves. Sit here and fake. It's been a while since I did this. Ju introduced me to this shit. Sit. Woo! It's been a while since I did that. But if you want to know about calisthenics, I keep telling y'all, you gotta fuck with this guy right here.
Man, shout out to Class 358, man. Best to ever do it for DCFB. 15 years. Let's show you how to get this money. Let's get it.
2 tickets to paradise. This is a sign for me, man. I've been hearing this goddamn song all day. He introduced me to everything. If it wasn't for Ju, I never would have put weighted pull-ups into my program. Remember, you got me doing weighted pull-ups, and you got me finally training the motherfucking abs. I trained abs 2 times a week with him for a month. All my lifts went up by 50 pounds. I kid y'all not. He called me out, and this is why we gotta understand that people need to call you out when you fucking up. Ju hit me with the D. All that other shit you doing is great, but you ain't doing them motherfucking sit-ups. You ain't working them abs. Fuck with me 2 times a week, you gonna see the difference. Since that day of us starting that routine, I haven't taken abs out, real shit. And I've seen a tremendous difference in my performance as well as my abs overall. So remember, get somebody that's gonna challenge you. Even trainers like myself have trainers. Don't get it twisted. Let's get it. So I ain't gonna fake once again. We taking it back. It's been a while since I even did some shit like this. Technique a little.
Still getting the work.
See, he's switching the hands. Technique a little different. But I'm gonna be real with you, it's all about the technique with a lot of this shit too. Yeah, I can't do that. I can't, see, he's swift with it. He's swift with it. That opposite side different. That opposite side different. I don't know if you peeped. He was switching. I got the coordination on this one. For sure. Gotta make up. Hold me. Let me fuck him up real quick. Fuck him. It's been a minute. And for all those who be wearing gloves, I want you to know it's easy to do with gloves. Quick time. I had to make up the difference